So for this plant, I call this one H01. I'm also just inspecting the pictures, where they're arranged, and if they will interfere with the new growths. In this situation, I can see that there are some developing pictures coming out. This one is off to the side, as you can see. So rather than letting this develop and grow over the plant, I'm going to just pick off the picture, developing leaf, because it's not growing where I want it to grow. And the petiole that's attached, I will leave and let it die on its own and turn yellow, so that I can easily see where it is connected to the plant towards the middle of the stem. If I try to trace it back right now, I can end up inadvertently removing the wrong petiole and sacrificing a leaf that I did not want to remove. So overall, everything looks good here. And as a final inspection, I think this is good. This picture is a little bit old. As you can see, this is an older picture. So I will probably remove it sometime in the near future to make room for new pictures like this one. And to finish off this weekly check, I'm going to fill the pictures with some of the nutrient solution. It's just a little bit. I'm not filling the whole thing. Because what I'm going to do is I'll top it off with just regular distilled water. And how much I'm putting, I'm also listening to the sound of the pitchers filling up. So this one did not take long at all for the inspection, and everything looks good. Thank you for watching. Oh, and quickly, just to indicate what this picture indicator is, this is H01.